named Nick on my team, Nick Adler. My Jewish friend, Nicholas Adler. And this motherfucker always he would push social media on me early. This nigga made me make investments in Reddit and Facebook and invest money. Like, nigga, just put 20,000 in. I'm like, I'm fucked. What the fuck is this shit? Here, nigga. And the nigga like, ooh. Oh, shit. Right. So the motherfucker was telling me, first thing he was telling me about was Twitter. That's where people follow you, right?
Yeah.
So he like, man, if you start your Twitter, you'll have millions of followers. I said, I don't want no motherfucker following me, nigga. No, I mean, they're gonna follow you and I'm like, no, nigga, I don't need that. I be doing shit, nigga. What you talking about? Once he explained it to me and I started like dibbling and dabbling, I said, oh, I got this shit. What a nigga had to own it? Him. Hey, what's that, homie?
Let me tell them, hey, how you doing?
Yeah. Then the thing come out, the Instagram thing come out.
Right.
He put me up on that. I'm like, man, oh, this is just pictures and shit in the beginning. You know, it was just pictures, right?
Right, in the video camera.
Yeah, so this is just pictures in the beginning.
Right.
Just pictures. I'm like, man, this shit's so motherfucking goofy, nigga. This shit's so good. Nigga, look at this shit. I'm finna take a picture of carpet, nigga, and watch 30,000 motherfuckers like it. I just took a picture of the carpet.
Right.
5 seconds later, 30,000 motherfuckers like it. I'm like, that shit goofy, cuz. Look at this shit. I can just post anything and niggas. And I said, oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
I can just post some shit I'm selling, or some shit I want you to show up to, or some shit I'm promoting, or a positive message, or some shit I'm trying to get off. Then I start thinking like a businessman, like just maximizing like, then the niggas from Instagram do an interview and say, hey man, our company was regular until one celebrity got behind it, and then we became a $100 million company. That celebrity was Snoop Dogg. Shoot, I didn't have that game though. I didn't have that game to get the piece of the pie.
I need it.
I didn't have the game to get a piece of the pie.
I need it.
See what I'm saying?
Right.
So now we know better. You knew better, you do better.
Facts.
So moving forward, to the brothers and sisters out there watching, when you're valuable, know your value. Ask for equity. Ask for a piece of the pie. Don't just take that little snapback that they want to throw you up front. You want a piece of the pie to make sure that you're getting a piece of it after it continues to grow. If you grow a brand, you should be a part of the brand.
It's real. I always ask people on any interview who they want to smoke with. Everybody in the world want to smoke with Snoop. Who Snoop want to smoke with?
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan?
I ain't never met
We
Michael
make
Jordan.
shit happen.
You ain't never met Michael Jordan?
ain't never met Michael Jordan.
You ain't never met Mike? That's crazy.
Hold the fuck up, man. You want to